Hi, this is Rupanshi Pruthi, an assistant professor by profession. So today I have a very wise question. Why you should consider studying MBA online these days? See, enrolling in a regular 2-year MBA program and giving time in a university will lead your career to a backseat. How? See, unless and until you are not getting admission in a top IIMs or IIT, or you are not getting excellent CAT score, then taking admission in a regular MBA program in any university or institution will hamper your professional growth. Let's just understand how. The first thing is that when you are giving 2 years to a regular classroom program, you are not getting any practical knowledge. You are earning zero practical knowledge, right? And the second thing is that you will be joining the workforce very late. You will be joining the workforce 2 year late, or might be 2.5 years late, in comparison to your peer group. So it will definitely hamper your monetary growth as well as social growth in a corporate sector. So what should you do it? Rather, what you should do it, if you are not getting regular admission in any IIMs or IITs or any top B school, then you should consider studying MBA in an online mode while working in a corporate sector or industry. Now, who should do it? For whom these programs are meant? Basically, if you are a student who has just completed his graduation, or you are someone who is working in the industry or a corporate sector from the past 5 to 6 years, right? And you need promotions, you need to upskill your career, then you are the one who should do this online MBA. Or even if you are a woman who wants to kickstart their career, who has taken a career break, or now they want to start your career in a corporate sector or industry, then MBA, doing an online MBA is just a blessing for them. So, how can you do it? Right now, we have a lot of national, international universities and top B schools in India as well as outside India, which are tied up with us. They have their different, course structure, curriculum, as well as they have their different fee structure. So, understanding your requirements based on your job profile, your fee affordability, and the time management, we suggest you the best program that you can undertake to study online MBA. So, right now, just enroll in the MBA program and upscale your career, upskill yourself. So, even if you or your friend or someone who is looking for this program, you can connect with me. Just feel free to connect with me. I am mentioning my contact details here below, where you can WhatsApp me and ask your query regarding MBA admissions, or if even if you have any query regarding the curriculum, what kind of a papers do we have, what is the exam pattern, or how you can enroll, in which university you should enroll. So right now we have a various different options in India. If we talk about, we have Shulini University, Sikkim Manipal University, we have OP Jindal University, we have Chandigarh University, we have, so we have different universities where you can apply depending on your requirements, which institute would be profitable for you. We have international universities as well, like Liverpool Business School, or you can say Golden Gate University, San Francisco. So there are so many universities. It depends that what is your requirement. Do you want to stay in India, you want to stay outside India, how much time you want to give, how much time you can give with your job. So there are different aspects. So feel free to connect with me. I'll surely guide you in a proper manner where you should enroll, and you can enroll with me in the online MBA program. So just upgrade your CV and get an MBA degree. So feel free to connect with me on the numbers given below. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.